Hi all, welcome to today's class. Now let us derive the formula of lens. Okay, for that to derive this formula I am using a convex lens. So here I am using a convex lens to derive the lens formula. So this is convex lens and here it is principal axis, optical center, and let us say an object is placed here. Let us say this object is O dash, and here the focal point of the first surface is opposite side, say F1, and focal point of second surface is say F2, and a parallel light ray passing from tip of the object after incidenting on the lens. This light ray intersects focal point, and one more light ray passing from optical center. There is no deviation. Without deviation that light ray passes forward. These two light rays intersecting here, refracted light rays intersecting here, and here is the image formed. Let us say this is the position of the image and say that image is I dash, and here the parallel light ray intersecting or incidenting on the lens, that point is say PP dash, okay, P dash. Then if you observe this figure carefully, we can find two similar triangles. So the first one is O dash P. This is the triangle O dash P, and one more triangle is I dash P. O dash P and I dash P are similar triangle O dash P and I dash P are similar triangles. So now we can write that O dash by I dash equal to OP by IP or PI. So let us say this is the first equation, and next one more pair of similar triangles are there. Let's observe. This is the first one, P dash F1, and one more is I dash F1. So P dash F1 and I dash F1 also similar triangles. So from these two similar triangles we can write it as P dash by I dash equal to PF1 IF1. So then let us say this is the second equation, and here the distance IF1 is PI minus PF1. So IF1 can be written as PI minus PF1, substituting IF value in the equation 2. So PP dash by I1 equal to PF1 by IF1. IF1 means PI minus PF1. Let us say this is the third equation. If you observe carefully in this figure, PP dash and O dash these are the two heights between two parallel light rays. The distance between parallel light rays anywhere is same. Okay, so here the OO dash and PP dash are equal distances between two parallel light rays, which means one incident light ray and principal axis. So what I am doing, instead of writing PP dash, I am writing OO dash in equation 3. So instead of PP dash, what can we write? OO dash by I dash PF1 by Pi minus PF1. Let us say this is the fourth equation. Once observe the first equation and fourth equation. OO dash by II dash is equal to OP by IP. OO dash by II dash. Here also OO dash II dash equal to PF1 by Pi minus PF1. So from 1 and 2 we can write that OP by IP, OP by IP equal to PF1 Pi minus PF1. So then what are these values? What is OP? OP. So this is distance of the object. OP is distance of object denoted with U. And IP. IP, it is the distance of image and denote with V. Then PF1, this is the focal length. So this is the distance PF1, that is nothing but focal length PF1. So it is focal length small f. Then Pi, IPR Pi same V, and PF1 focal length. Substituting these values in the equation, U by IP V and PF1 focal length, Pi distance of image, and PF1 focal length. So and cross multiplication, then U V minus F V into F. So UV minus U into F VF. So let us say this is the fifth equation. And what I am doing now, I am dividing this fifth equation with UVF both sides. So dividing that fifth equation with UF. So UV by UVF minus UF by UVF and VF equal to VF by UVF. So here U and get cancelled, V get cancelled. Remaining is 1 by F minus U get cancelled, F get cancelled, and remaining is 1 by V. Then equal to V get cancelled, F get cancelled, and remaining is 1 by U. And this equation can be written as 1 by F equal to, and 1 minus 1 by V I am taking right hand side, so it becomes positive. So 1 by V plus 1 by U. This is the formula for lens formula. But this equation, this formula is derived in case of convex lens. So for that we have to use sign convention parameters. So let us apply the sign convention parameters. So first F, whether it is positive or negative. So focal length, so in the direction of incident light ray. So 1 by F equal to positive, because the distance is measured from optical center in the direction of incident light ray, then that value is positive. So focal length is positive. Next, distance of image. The distance of image also positive because we are measuring in the direction of incident light ray. So sorry, B. And the distance of object. The distance of object, so we are measuring opposite to incident light ray, so this value should be taken as negative. So minus u 1 by u. So this is called as formula for lens. This formula can be used for any lens, but whenever you are using this formula for other lenses, we have to apply sign convention. This is about the lens formula. Thank you.